welcome back to the Trusted Car Products testing studio and to the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel. Thank you once again for checking out one of our videos. Today we have got that time of the month where it's like Christmas once a month. We have got the race car box, or the BecauseRaceCarBox subscription service. So we're going to have a look at what's in the box this month, see some of the various products that they've kindly sent to us, and then we'll be putting them through their paces over the coming weeks. Okay, so first out of the box, as always, we've got a lovely picture this month of a, just double checking before I made a fool of myself, it is a Ford Mustang. I think it's the Shelby GT500 on the front there. These are great little guides that they provide in each month's box of the various contents of the box. So you've got a quick referral guide if you need to know how to use them, and various health and safety type things and the usage instructions. So once again, thanks for that, guys, because they are adorning the fridge in our workshop. We are gradually building up these pictures that you send us once a month, and it's covering the front of our fridge quite nicely. So a very useful piece of information and a very nice picture to have as well. First out of the box this month, we have got another from the Buffett range. We've got the Ultra Jelly Bean Shampoo. Now, we have actually already reviewed this, so you can check out our review of this on the trustedcarproducts.co.uk website. It is a pH neutral shampoo, so it's wax and coating friendly, with a jelly bean scent, as the name might suggest. We have been impressed with the Buffett range so far. It offers really good value for money. You might have seen us doing a feature video using their glass cleaner, which you can check out on our basic detailing range. We have reviewed the glass cleaner as well. We've also reviewed their bleeding wheel cleaner, jelly bean shampoo, like I say, and we've got a couple of other reviews from them coming up soon, so check those out. So a nice product to receive in the box. Next out is another from Buffett. It's their Eco Alloy Wheel Cleaner, which ironically is actually the next product we've got on review from them. We've just started testing it today, actually, so it was nice to have a bit more to play with though. So yeah, this is their wheel cleaner, as the name might suggest. It is a mild acidic wheel cleaner, no aggressive acids in it, as the label does say. So yeah, we'll be testing this on a variety of alloys. We'll feed back to you on that. You can check out the review when it goes on the Trusted Car Products website, and we'll put it on our social media as well. So two nice generous sized products from the Buffett range in the box this month. Nails a bit deeper. So we've got something from Monster Shine this month. We've got Aqua Gloss, which is their tyre dressing. We have used their chocolate sauce interior dressing before, which smells amazing. So we'll definitely be putting this to the test. I must admit, we've not overly used the Monster Shine car care range before, so I'm quite keen to use that because they are a range that I'd like to explore a bit more of. So again, we'll be putting that through its paces. Very bumper box this month. Oh, there's another product hiding in the realm. We've got a small pot of Simple Wax Armour. I must admit, this is a new one to me. It's looks like a soft paste wax to me, yeah. So we'll definitely be putting that through its paces. Like I say, I've not actually come across that one before. So that is Simple Wax Armour, 30ml sample pot there. You probably get a good 2 or 3 coats of a car out of that, enough to certainly put it through its paces, which we will be doing. Okay, so we're on to more of the accessories now that they provide in the box. This month we've got a waffle weave cloth. Now these are great for especially glass cleaning. They've got that nice sort of slightly grippy sort of texture to them, so when you've sprayed your glass cleaner on, you might have seen in our glass cleaning guide on the basic detailing videos, do check it out if you haven't. We always suggest following the initial white, brown and the microfiber cloth with something like, previously we've used the Street Busters, which are very similar makeup to this. But these waffle weave cloths, they are brilliant because they just give that sort of extra sort of resistance, if you like, which takes the smears that some glass cleaners can leave behind. So very useful bit of kit there. Got the usual pair of gloves that they provide for you, which is always very much appreciated. It's great when you're using some of the slightly more harsh products. We have a air freshener. Oh, this is from the race car box team themselves. I was just going to say I'm not sure who's provided this, but it says clearly on the bottom. This is a quote from Paul Walker from the Fast and Furious films, the dude I almost had you quote, which you've probably seen on the back of a lot of cars. You can get it in decals on a lot of cars.
What are you smiling about?
Dude, I almost had you.
Nice bit of air freshener to get as well. Finally out of the box is a little treat from us at Trusted Car Products this month. We have popped into all of the race car boxes for the month one of these "Please do not wash or detail this vehicle" signs. Now, some of you might be wondering why you might need one of these. If your car ever goes in for a service, an MOT, or any sort of garage work, particularly at a mainstream dealership, quite often they'll give you a courtesy wash. The inverted commas being because it usually absolutely ruins your car. Dealerships do not care about how safely they clean your car, they don't care about the care put into it. It's all about just the speed of turnaround, just as a bit of a gesture. They'll go over your car with a wash broom, they'll go over it with a gritty old sponge, a gritty old chamois, and they'll swirl and mar the paintwork like you wouldn't believe. We detail for a living, and we see countless cars come to us from dealerships, sometimes brand new cars that have been prepped by a dealership, covered in swirl marks. We've ceramic coated cars that have then gone in for service, and we'll have them back with the customer in bits because the dealership have done a courtesy wash and ruined all of our hard work. So slap one of these on your wing mirror, no that wouldn't work, on your interior mirror or on your indicator stalk, something like that. And it's a clear message to the dealership: do not wash or detail this vehicle, and hopefully they'll leave it nice and well clear, and your coatings and your hard work won't be affected. So just a little gesture from us at Trusted Car Products in the Race Car Box this month. Okay, so thank you for checking out another of the videos on the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel, and particularly the BecauseRaceCarBox subscription box unboxing videos. There's a lot of boxes in that. We particularly like this month's box. It seems a real bumper box this month. We've got the 2 large samples from Buffett in there. We've got the Monster Car Care tyre dressing, the Simple Wax Armour synthetic wax, a Race Car Box air freshener, the Waffle Weave towel, and of course, by far the best thing that has ever been in a Race Car Box, of course, you've got the Trusted Car Products. Please do not wash or detail this vehicle sign. We hope you'll find, joking aside, that to be very helpful indeed when your car's going in for its care. So thanks again, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share the channel. We do really appreciate all the help we get in growing the channel. Hopefully you find these videos interesting. Please check out also our Basics of Detailing range, which is building by the day, and all the other videos we have on the YouTube channel. Check out the Because Race Car team at BecauseRaceCarBox.com. And some of the brands featured in the box, and check us out at trustedcarproducts.co.uk. Thank you.